Over the past 23 years, Empire Medical Training has been responsible for delivering the most acclaimed and outstanding programs in aesthetics, anti-aging, pain management, and more to help you expand your skill set and grow your practice. And 2022 is no exception. Join Empire Medical Training today and get access to Master Eyes Injection Training and Master Nose Injection Training Level 3. Not only will you receive AMA PRA Category 1 credit hours and certificates of achievement, but you will also benefit from our brand new state-of-the-art members portal, giving you access to an entire suite of products and services such as the Empire Virtual Training Hub, before and after photo gallery, specialized videos on demand, direct access to our physician instructors, board certification exams, a calendar of events, a community forum, video Q&As, and much more. Take advantage of these exciting programs and topics. Call us today or visit EmpireMedicalTraining.com for more information.